Yeah, hello and welcome to a quick update about a Solana node change in Outlook here required. Yeah, I already showed you in the previous video that we could already be here in this structure, so that we now expect that wave 3 down. In the end, we had a dip since then, yeah, a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down to complete this overall 5th wave within the higher level wave 2, yeah, and then we've got here certain subwaves in that whole structure as well. But that is so far what has played out as well. I had even here this sort of bearish flag on the chart. We broke out of that to the downside. Here now you could even see this as another small bearish flag. Here you go here. Yeah, I still have that in pink. I can make that white. So you can see that actually here on the 1 hour chart that this could be seen as another bearish flag. And in this flag, depending on if I use the closed candles, yeah, or if we use here the wicks, we are already pretty much in the apex and would expect here a move very soon, or I give it a bit more space. Yeah, not sure if I want to do that. Here then we've got a triangle, which again would be a sort of a bearish pennant. So overall we would expect the price here to move down further. That would also be based on this Elliott wave count, where we've seen here a wave 1, a wave 2 that came actually perfectly into that target area. Yeah, this was a perfect move that the wave 2 did. I think it retraced to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. We can just double check that. Yeah, it came perfectly to the 61.8 here. So that was a nice move. And as expected, it then reacted to that, came down. Yeah, we've got a bit of a, maybe a 1-2. Yeah, maybe a 1-2. Yeah, so basically, when you have this overall wave 2 finished, yeah, we are moving down in a wave 3. The wave 3 itself consists of 5 waves, of course, yeah. So this here was probably also a wave 1, a wave 2 to the upside, yeah, with an A, B, C in between, yeah. A, B, C with an overshooting wave B or undershooting wave B. So that wave 2, then this could already be the wave 3 here. Maybe this already the wave 4 and the wave 5 might still be coming. Could be an extended wave 5. Might be that this wave 3 here isn't finished yet. So I don't want to make it too complicated, but in a sense it could be like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Or that wave 3 isn't finished yet and we're going to see that down here somewhere. So this is currently what I'm looking at here. This move down would be invalidated. So it's always important to understand the invalidation points as well. It would be invalidated above $53.60. This imminent move down, and then the overall move down here would be invalidated above 50, yeah, let's call it $58. Again, a move, and as I said that for the other cryptos as well, which are currently doing slightly different. Bitcoin does a slightly different wave count. Ethereum is pretty much aligned here with Solana. So even if one of these levels is broken, it wouldn't be bullish. It would currently, just looking at the whole structure here, it would just be a bit of an extended corrective wave up. So that wave 4 here, which I have finished here at the moment, is then in that case probably not finished yet. Bear in mind, we've got some important resistance coming up here. So there's a resistance zone between $60 and $62 as well, yeah. So at the moment we're obviously way below that. We're actually making a series of lower lows and also lower highs. So the downtrend is still going on, and yeah, pretty much on track here at the moment. So at the moment, no reason to change the structure. Don't want to make the video longer than required. From an Elliott wave point of view, we would go down further. That is my expectation. Also, looking at the patterns here, I would expect we go down further. So we had a series of bear flags, had here a bearish flag, here a bearish flag that worked out. Both of these worked out as expected. And now we've got here a bearish pennant. Again, they don't always work out, but also here I think it has good chances to actually break to the downside. And overall, yeah, if we follow this path, which probably will not be as clean and tidy as it's outlined here, it will probably be a bit messy. But if we follow this path down, we should finish the overall correction, yeah, certainly in the range, maybe around the low $30, yeah. So this is currently how I see it. I wouldn't think it has a problem to even drop a little bit below $30, but $30 is the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level. Like typically on the Fib ladder, the last resort for the bulls, but should it even drop below that, there's plenty of support lower. Yeah, so here in that region on the left hand side, or in the middle of the screen now, you can actually see it here. We had early in 21 or middle of 21, early middle 21, we had here support around the $20 mark. So even that could just add temporarily as significant support. Yeah, below that it would get a bit tricky, and we need to see how this is going to play out. But for now, it's following the expectations. I would expect the low to be in the region between 20 and $35 for Solana. Here then the price would have a chance to turn around, move to new all-time highs. Projection for the next larger wave to the upside would be at least $450, because I see this here as a wave 1, this here as a wave 2, what we're currently doing. The wave 3 should take us to at least the 1.618 FIB extension at $450, provided it can turn around here and we'll start a new bull run. Yeah, but in a wave 3, this would be the minimum target that we can expect. It's also not a crazy target. It's a very realistic target for a wave 3 to the upside. Bear in mind, this would only be the wave 3. You can then get a wave 4 down and a wave 5 to the upside, which should take it even higher than that. But for all of that, what is very important, that it actually turns around here, that the market can generate a recovery. That is what we're looking out for at the moment here. Yeah, but it probably isn't over yet. There will be more dips. Yeah, in my opinion, not only based on the Elliott wave count, but also looking at the indicators, especially here on the medium term. They are still very much pushing down here, very much pushing down. Here, for example, on the ADX downtrend, the red line above the green line, and the trend is increasing in strength again. The RSI also, very low here still. So the bulls are still too weak. MACD also pushing further down. Yes, we had now a slight reduction in negative momentum, but this is just way too early. On the weekly, it's still pushing down very much. And until we see here a bit of a change to the upside, maybe a bullish divergence on one of these medium-term indicators, I won't be too confident that the downtrend is actually over. Yeah, as soon as there are more bullish signals, I will of course let you know and make you aware as soon as possible. So, and that is my view about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership and make sure you also follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And for both, you can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.